That was really good. The comms, we initially had a meeting with S-Team and we had all the plans done. And after that, as the project progressed, we had catch-ups regularly. And also we had their project manager on site, and S-Team, Sidhu was also with us quite
All the
often.
time.
All the time. And,
Yeah.
and we had very good regular comms with him, which made things really easy. This kitchen area was a bit cramped and the light was not coming in. It was looking dull and old. So we opened it up. Now you could see that the light's coming in.
More
It's
lights.
being opened up. And we also had some feature built in here. So it could give us an additional lucrative feeling where we have some niches which opens up to the dining as well. And also gives us an opportunity to decorate the place and gives a good nice feeling out there. Feel that joy whenever we walk into the house because everything is so fresh and new, and the color, the composure, the materials, everything that we have put in, it gives us great joy when you walk in.